Have you ever found yourself staring at your phone, utterly confused by a multi-factor code on OnPay? I know I have. It's like trying to decipher ancient hieroglyphics. But fear not, my fellow OnPay users, because today we're going to crack the code of multi-factor authentication. Understanding multi-factor authentication. Let's start by understanding what multi-factor authentication, MFA, is. It's a security measure that requires 2 or more forms of identification to access an account. Think of it like a double lock on your front door. It's much harder for someone to break in when there are multiple barriers to overcome. OnPay's MFA options. OnPay offers a few different options for MFA. The most common is the code generated by an authenticator app. This app, usually downloaded to your smartphone, generates a unique code that changes every few seconds. You'll be prompted to enter this code along with your password to log in. Another option is SMS verification. When you try to log in, OnPay will send a verification code to your registered phone number. You'll need to enter this code to complete the login process. Common issues and solutions. Now that we understand the basics, let's dive into some common issues you might encounter with OnPay's MFA. Code not received. If you're not receiving verification codes, check your phone spam or junk folders. Sometimes these messages end up there by mistake. Also, ensure your phone number is correctly registered with OnPay. Code expired. If the code you enter has expired, you'll need to generate a new one. This is usually a matter of refreshing the authenticator app or requesting a new code via SMS. Incorrect code. If you're entering the code incorrectly, double-check it carefully. Remember, these codes are case-sensitive. Troubleshooting tips. If you're still having trouble with MFA, here are a few troubleshooting tips. Check your internet connection. A weak or unstable internet connection can interfere with the delivery of verification codes. Update your app. Make sure you have the latest version of the OnPay app installed. Updates often include bug fixes and improvements. Contact OnPay support. If you've tried everything and are still experiencing issues, don't hesitate to reach out to OnPay's customer support team. They can assist you further and provide tailored solutions. Additional security measures. While MFA is a powerful security tool, it's essential to take additional steps to protect your account. Here are a few best practices. Strong passwords. Use complex passwords that combine uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using easily guessable information like your birthday or pet's name. 1. www.networkingzygnal.com. www.networkingzygnal.com. Two-factor authentication for other accounts. Consider enabling MFA for other online accounts, such as your email, social media, and banking services. Be wary of phishing attempts. Be cautious of suspicious emails or messages that ask for your login credentials. Never click on links or download attachments from unknown sources. Multi-factor authentication can seem daunting at first, but with a little understanding and practice, it can be a valuable tool in protecting your OnPay account. By following the tips and tricks we've discussed today, you can confidently navigate the world of MFA and enjoy a more secure online experience. Have you encountered any issues with OnPay's MFA? Share your experiences in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech tips and tutorials. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.